Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video about a new backpack that is called Excursion. And I know a lot of you has been waiting for a backpack long time ago, and maybe this is the answer to all your prayers about having a Louis Vuitton monogram backpack. And I will tell you my opinion later, but let's just get started with the unboxing. Just a quick one if you're new to this channel. My name is Murphy, and currently as I'm recording this video, I am a sales advisor here in Louis Vuitton, Singapore, and I upload 1 or 2 videos per week. So if you are into Louis Vuitton products, luxury brands in general, just please subscribe and like this video so you can help me grow this channel. Okay, let's get started with the unboxing. This is me unboxing the new Excursion bag, and of course it comes with a dust bag, and this is how it will look like if you take it out of the dust bag. It has 2 pockets in front, and the material is full leather with VVN leather binding, the pull strap, and yeah, all the beige part that you can see in there. It comes with the 2 straps that you can use as for your backpack style, and the special part about this is that it comes with a chain. I have to take the chain off the plastic, so sorry about that. And yeah, this is how the chain looks like. I am going to show you later how are you going to put the chain, but yeah, these are the accessories included in this bag, and this is how it looks like. The second video that I'm going to show you is how to put the chain. So if you will receive this bag, or if you buy it, of course you will see on the side that it's a little bit flat, and for you to actually have it shaped as a bucket bag, you can use the chain to hook them together so that you will have that rounded bucket shape of a bag. And this is how you put it. You first hook it on both sides and both D-ring together, and you can hook one of those snap hook for it to close properly. It's actually good also if you're traveling. It makes your bag more secured and not easy to open, especially on countries that are not safe, and then you put it on your back. So yeah, I know it's a little bit messy, but because there's nothing inside, that's why it looks more towards the other side. But yeah, you can just put it also inside if you don't want to use it, and just use the pull string. That will work as well, because it will be shaped as a bucket proper by itself if you have things inside already. So yeah, this is how it looks like when you put the chain inside, or you can just use it as an accessory. That's another option, but the main purpose of this chain is actually to carry it as a shoulder carry. So this is just not a backpack, so it's actually quite cute as a shoulder carry. But now we are going to put both of the canvas strap at the back of this bag to show you how it is actually done. So you must, that side should be facing up. As you will see, that button that is sticking out, it has to be facing up when you put the loop in the D-ring, both right or left side. I will just show you the right side, and same goes with the left side. It is good that it's adjustable. It has a lot of hole for you to decide on what length are you gonna put it to. And there's another loop where you can secure the rest of the strap. And this is how it looks like when you carry it as a backpack. Now this bag is priced at 4,750. It's called the Excursion bag, and this is the only backpack now for women. And I have experienced since last year that a lot of women are looking for backpack since we discontinued the Palm Spring PM and MM, which a lot of people loves. And then It was followed by the Montsuri backpack in leather and canvas, and those two bags, I absolutely love them because they're just practical, a good price, and I think it's trendy. It's still very feminine and still very stylish. And the Montsuri bag, you can wear them even for a dressy outfit, like a casual dressy outfit. But I don't know also why it's not coming in anymore in our store. However, yeah, we have the new canvas excursion bag. My personal opinion about it is that it's a little bit complicated. Montsuri, it's very, very similar to Montsuri in fact, but I find that they overcomplicate things. The chain is definitely not needed, maybe for the purpose of it being versatile of using it as a shoulder carry, but I'm not a fan of how it looks like when it's shoulder carried. So if I am the client, I would find that chain not useful for me. However, without the chain, it is actually a very casual bag. The two pockets in front, I also, as a client, I don't think I'm going to use it. However, for people who are into pockets, who are into compartments, and I have encountered a lot of clients like that, that they want a lot of pockets in their bag, then that is a good news for you. But for me, Montsuri is actually prettier, nicer, and choosing between the two. But to be honest, we don't have a choice right now because we don't have Montsuri anymore. So we go for Excursion PM. But then I make this video because I know a lot of people are waiting for a new backpack from Louis Vuitton, and backpack is a very practical bag. It never goes out of style. You can use it almost forever if you know how to take care of your bag. So this is for you, and I would like to know, what is your opinion about this bag? Do you have the same opinion as me? Or do you love it? And if you are one of the people that actually is enticed by this design, you can go to the nearest stores in your country or in your city and go and try it, because trying the bag is the best thing, because it might look different on me because we all have different styles when it comes to fashion, and we also have different body structure. That is very important also in buying a bag. So yeah, if you want to consider it, go ahead and try it. I would highly recommend to try it. Price wise, 4,700. I am not surprised because a lot of bags nowadays that we have been launching is in this price, and nothing we can do to fight the inflation even with luxury bags. So yeah, we just have to accept it. So if you like it and you have the means to buy it, I would highly recommend to just get it if you can. Yeah, that's all I can say. If I have missed anything, please let me know. You can ask me questions on the comments down below. I will try my best to answer them. I read your comments, but I just don't have time to reply to everyone because I still have a full-time job. But overall, I appreciate everyone who watches this video and just in supporting my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because it's very vital for me to grow this channel and to help people like you to be updated with more Louis Vuitton items and products. So yeah, that's it. I would have to go now, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.